NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.1, Question number 7. The area of a triangle with vertices A 3, 0, B 7, 0 and C 8, 4 is option A 14, option B 28, option C 8 or option D 6. Let us find the answer. We are given vertices of triangle ABC. A is equal to 3, 0, B is equal to 7, 0 and C 8, 4. Let us draw these points on graph. Point A 3, 0, point B 7, 0 and point C 8, 4. We have to find the area of the triangle formed with these three vertices. And what is the formula to find the area of a triangle? Area is equal to half into base into height. Now let us calculate the base of this triangle. AB is the base of this triangle. Since A and B both lie on x-axis, the distance between these 2 points is modulus of x2 minus x1, where A 3, 0 is x1, 0 and B 7, 0 is x2, 0. Therefore, base is equal to modulus of x2 minus x1, that is equal to x2 is 7 minus x1 is 3 modulus. Modulus of 4 is equal to 4. Now let us calculate the height of this triangle. Since base AB is on x-axis, height, the distance of the point C from x-axis. And what is the distance of a point from x-axis? Y coordinate. Therefore, height is equal to y coordinate of point C. Which is equal to 4. Now let us substitute the values of base and height in the area formula. Area is equal to 1 by 2 into base is 4 units into height is 4 units, that is equal to 4 times 4 16 by 2, that is equal to 8. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 8 square units. From the given options, option C 8 is the right answer. Therefore, the area of a triangle with vertices A 3, 0, B 7, 0 and C 8, 4 is 8 units. Option C.